Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about that bright, shining orb looking back at you? That's the moon, our planet's one and only natural satellite. It's more than just a beautiful light in the dark. It's a constant companion that has shaped our world in incredible ways, inspiring curiosity and wonder for all of human history. But where did it come from, and how does it work its magic on our planet? Let's travel back in time, about 4.5 billion years. The most widely accepted theory for the moon's origin is called the giant impact hypothesis. Imagine this: a young, still-forming Earth collides with a massive object, something about the size of Mars. This cosmic smash-up was so powerful it sent a colossal cloud of vaporized rock and debris hurtling into space. Over time, gravity did its thing, pulling all that material together. It clumped, cooled, and eventually formed the moon we see today. So, in a way, the moon is a piece of our own planet, forever bound to us by a shared, dramatic history. Now, why does the moon stick around? The answer is gravity. The same force that keeps your feet on the ground is what holds the moon in a stable orbit around the Earth. It's a delicate cosmic dance. Earth's gravity constantly pulls the moon towards us, preventing it from flying off into space, while the moon's forward motion keeps it from crashing into us. But this gravitational pull is a two-way street. The moon's gravity is also tugging on our planet, and its most noticeable effect is on our oceans. As the moon orbits, its gravity pulls the water on Earth's surface towards it, creating a bulge. This bulge is what we experience as high tide. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet pass through this bulge, causing the rhythmic rise and fall of the tides along our coastlines. It's amazing to think that a celestial body so far away has such a direct and powerful influence on our daily lives. One of the most fascinating things about the moon is how its appearance changes throughout the month. These are the phases of the moon, and they're not because the moon is actually changing shape. It's all about perspective and sunlight. The moon doesn't produce its own light. It reflects light from the sun, just like a giant mirror in space. As the moon travels on its month-long journey around the Earth, we see different amounts of its sunlit half. It all starts with the new moon, when the moon is between the Earth and the sun. From our viewpoint, the side facing us is not illuminated, so it's nearly invisible in the sky. Then, as the moon moves in its orbit, we start to see a tiny sliver of light, the waxing crescent. Waxing just means the illuminated portion is getting bigger. A week into its cycle, we reach the first quarter, where we see exactly half of the sunlit side, looking like a perfect half circle. The light continues to grow through the waxing gibbous phase until we arrive at the spectacular full moon. This is when the Earth is between the sun and the moon, so the entire side of the moon facing us is bathed in sunlight. It's the brightest and most impressive phase. After the full moon, the process reverses. The light begins to shrink, or wane. We move into the waning gibbous phase, followed by the third quarter, which is the other half moon. The sliver of light gets smaller and smaller during the waning crescent phase, until the moon disappears from view once again, starting the cycle over with a new moon. This predictable and beautiful cycle has been used by cultures for millennia to track time, create calendars, and navigate the seas. So, from its violent birth in a cosmic collision to its gravitational dance that dictates our ocean tides, and its ever-changing phases that light up our night sky, the moon is a truly remarkable celestial partner. It's a constant reminder of the vast, dynamic universe we are a part of. The next time you gaze up at the moon, whether it's a tiny crescent or a brilliant full disk, take a moment to appreciate the incredible story it tells. It's our neighbor in space, a silent guardian, and a source of endless wonder. Thanks for joining me on this journey to our closest celestial companion. If you enjoyed this cosmic adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more explorations of our amazing universe. See you next time.